Hello everyone, this is Sir Kent and today pagpapatuloy po natin yung ating fast drill sa ating English ng subject, no? At today po, no, ang ating po namang topic ay patungkol sa mga writers at yung kanilang mga isinulat. Again, bibigyan po kayo ng 5 seconds after pong mabasa yung question, then you will give your answer. Handa na ba kayo? Let's start. Now, sino po yung nagsulat ng Romeo and Juliet? It's William Shakespeare. How about sino po yung nagsulat ng Hamlet? It's still William Shakespeare. How about Macbeth? It's still William Shakespeare. Sino naman po yung nagsulat ng The Merchant of Venice? It's William Shakespeare. Now, sino naman po yung nagsulat ng The Canterbury Tales? It's Geoffrey Chaucer. How about The Paradise Lost? It's John Milton. How about The Gulliver's Travels? It's Jonathan Swift. How about sino po yung nagsulat ng A Tale of Two Cities? It's Charles Dickens. How about yung sikat na nagsulat ng The Pride and Prejudice? It's Jane Austen. How about sino yung nagsulat ng Dracula? It's Bram Stoker. How about The Animal Farm? It's George Orwell. How about sino po yung nagsulat ng The Hobbit? It's J.R.R. Tolkien. How about The Lord of the Rings? It's still J.R.R. Tolkien. How about The Adventures of Tom Sawyer? It's Mark Twain. How about The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn? It's still Mark Twain. How about The Great Gatsby? It's F. Scott Fitzgerald. And now, sino po yung nagsulat ng The Moby Dick? It's Herman Melville. How about The Raven? It's Edgar Allan Poe. How about Alice's Adventures in Wonderland? It's Lewis Carroll. How about Don Quixote? It's Miguel de Cervantes. How about The Les Miserables? Excuse me. It's Victor Hugo. How about War and Peace? It's Leo Tolstoy. How about The Iliad and the Odyssey? It's Homer. How about The Divine Comedy na talagang lumalabas sa ating English Gen Ed? It's Dante Alighieri. How about The Oedipus Rex? It's Sophocles. How about Aesop's Fables? Of course, it's Aesop. At ito po, no, sino po yung nagsulat ng the story ng The Little Mermaid? That's Hans Christian Andersen. That's it for our fast drill sa ating mga writers at yung kanilang mga akda. This is Sir Ken. God bless everyone.